Hello guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing great and hope all you are doing very creative and innovative each and every day as I told my earlier video. So first tell me in your comments that how is your improve your skill? Is this what I content which I make for you is really helping you or I'll improve myself more? Because if you gonna look, why I'm telling you that you gonna like, share and subscribe my channel, you have to look it, because it will improve myself, it will. And look, I'm very honest myself and I'm telling you that I want to monetize my channel, so this is I am telling you this thing. And also I really want that you just able to speak English very fluently and very sparkly. I mean, you have no shame outside the world that people gonna laugh you, people gonna judge you, people gonna think what you are. No, not no. Look, I really want that you just improve yourself. So this is I am teaching you. And look, I think I am the only first content creator who are making in this English video in full English. Otherwise all the content creator who run the English channel, you can easily see that they're going to translate Hindi to English, whatever is the language they want to teach you, they want to. But here I am I think on the only one who are teaching you in a full of English, just because just you are able to English skill yourself. And I just want that English is gonna like your a child's game. This is you gonna grow up and this is how you gonna make the sentence and this is you gonna fluency in English. And then I don't think so you're gonna shame that anywhere anything, because you really think easy where that English become a very global language. And if you are living in 2026, if you can't speak English, you won't compete this, not in India. Because I'm telling you guys, I visited Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, okay, and you won't believe. I mean, I think Bangalore, I think this is the India's hub. I mean, where they are going right now. And I mean, like Pune, every company, every job sector, every corporate house, every corporate world, every management, you have to speak English very fast, because now India is becoming a superpower, as I can see. So, and Bangalore is the cyber hub. So yes, we can see, we hope that we are going to best and we are going to do nothing. And also I visited there. Look, there is a long story, but it's a tremendous experience. Yes, I had a plan there that I have to visit Chennai, Pondicherry, and also there are 4 5 beaches. But wait, we will gonna sightseeing next time, because but yes, it's I'm really telling you that I'm gonna visit it again, and this time I'm gonna visit my friend. So yes, it's gonna make us feel good, and also friends benefits. So there are very good things about friends, because friends is like your mirror in your life. I mean, all the relatives and all the relation you have in your life, I think they're gonna stuck your mind. They're gonna feel you that you are nothing like a insect. But only friends, there, yeah, there you can easily, you can grow easily, can put your thoughts, and easily you can find yourself. So it's really very good thing that you have to friend, and everything has to very friend circle in their life. Without friend, I don't think so you're gonna survive in this world, because any advice and any kind of thought, who's gonna tell you? So always you should have 4 or 5 friends that you can trust them. Trust is the very wrong word. I think we are assuming that today we are 26, we are entering in 26, and we are talking about trust we are talking about hope. I think these are the natural words and natural habits. So why you telling someone that you have to trust them, so your relation gonna become very good? No. Just there are a bonding, and there are your vibes. If your vibes and if your bonding are matched to each other, then you're gonna friend in your whole life. I'm telling you, my older friend is like, I mean, when I read in fifth class, okay, I'm telling you, when I read in fifth class, okay, I mean, even today I'm talking about that friend. So I, yes, my life path decided my friend. Otherwise, all you know, very, you can easily see that every child who born in a middle class family or a poor family, both are, you know very well, if someone want to be rich, someone want to be successful, then he have to strong his, first mentally and physically he have to strong, he has to very multi-talented, and also he has a very uh, good friend of circle. Only this is he can beat the world, and only this is he can become a very successful and very rich person in life. Otherwise, there are thousands of ships outside the world, and so it's up to you that you gonna lost or you gonna find yourself. Okay, so now we are talking about make sense sentence. Okay, so these are the word and these are the spelling and meanings. Okay, so human, humane, illegal, incredible, intense, invent, discover, industrial, industrious, imperious, incumbent, jealous, judicial. There are spelling and there are their meanings. I won't translate Hindi. It's up to you that you have to translate. Otherwise, it's you won't be able to speak English. So always just, if you want to speak English, just try yourself. Okay, give at least 15-20 minutes or yourself, and then try to make sentence. Only this is you can speak English. Okay, so human. So I talked about too much human psychology. I talked about too much human behavior, that how a human behavior should to each other one. Don't treat other self. Look, I I am your teacher, and your host is, and I, as you think, you know very well that I am a lots of experience gain more than you, and experience is the only key that you can find yourself, you can discover your world. Okay, so I'm telling you, always be humble, be responsible, and look, just find your inside zero. Okay, if you just find out, if you can find out your inside zero, then you really become a very very live very good life. Otherwise, you gonna stuck that world illusion. And trust me, in this world there are lots of distraction. You won't even know that how destructive this world is, and what kind of distraction. Weak mind people always cry. Remember that weak mind people always cry, but a strong mind people always win. This is the rule of life. Okay, human. Yeah, I think this is going to be related in humanity. Illegal. There are some illegal activities outside in the path, so you really step out and see what's going to happen. Incredible. I mean, I visited lots of India, and I visited too much travel in my life, and also all life I want to be a traveler. I want to be a sports person. I want to be a full experience winner. All life I really want to look like this, and all I want to explore my life. I want to explore my life. So. Everyone, so I have seen a very very incredible thing and very very incredible place in my life, like in Rajasthan. I'm telling you, if you want to see fort and some kind of desert, then you really should visit Jaisalmer, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Bikaner, and also if you in Chittodgarh, I mean these are the most historical places. You can easily relate that. I mean, if you really want to see the artificial structure, then you really should visit Chittodgarh. I mean, there you can see that Maharana Pratap. I mean, these are the legend we have. I mean, what kind of legend story we gonna heard about in Rajasthan. So if you really want to see the historical palace and some historical site, then yeah, you really, I mean, many foreigners who comes to there, and when they heard about it, I mean, their face and their face expression is like no words have to say. I mean, this kind of legendary story. So you really should visit Chittodgarh, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Bikaner, Jaipur. I mean, Nargad Fort. I mean, there are lots of thousands of sightseeing view where you can proud your history, that who you are, how you, where are you come from, how your ancient was, how great your ancient was. I mean, their technology. I mean, if if you just visit the Taj Mahal, and also if you just visit Jammu Kashmir, then you're gonna see Khajuraho, I mean, palace, and there are a lot of architecture. I mean, the Kedarnath Mandir, the Vaishno Deva Mandir. I mean, these are the side temple, and their structure. You really gonna see that how they build. I mean, what kind of engineering was it? So you really should visit. I mean, foreigners and people are so much lots of visit there. So at least you just try yourself at least once. Okay, this is gonna be incredible experience, as I'm telling you. Intense, intense, intense. I mean, intensity. I mean, people who want to see very fast and very easily grow up. They want to be. They are intense, just like me. As you can see, invent. So invent is also like the bulb, the fan, these mobile, laptop. These all are gadgets. Power bank, phone book, MacBook. I mean, now AI is coming. So these all are the invented thing by a human being. Okay, so the TV, and also these are the technology who invented by the human being. Discover, you can relate it with discover. I really want to discover my truth. Okay, I really want to discover my truth, because it's giving me freedom, it's giving me joy, it's giving me full of life, it's giving me health, wealth, and all the thing which a man wants, and a man wants to live like that. I think I really want to discover myself truth. Industrial. So there are very industrial in India. I mean, India is a, I mean, look, Mr. Mukesh Ambani, Mr. Gautam Adani, and if you just visit the Gujarat, I live Gujarat 2 or 3 times, 2 or 3 months. So I've seen there are, I mean, these are the empowerment hub. I mean, you won't believe, in Gujarat you're gonna see just every 2 kilometer you gonna see a industrial thing, whatever, car manufacturing, Maruti Suzuki, any hub, any company, and also Mr. Narendra Modi and Amit Shah also from Gujarat, who are running this country, and as you can easily see that how I am loving them so much. They wanna see it. How Satyendra Ponia look like. Okay, they wanna just watch, and they really gonna love me, I'm telling you. And also, so if you just see and also Mr. Mukesh Ambani and Gautam Adani, and also all the, I mean, Ratan Tata is also from Gujarat. He is my legend. So Gujarat is a manufacturer of industrial. And why I'm telling this? I mean, because when they are grew up, their psychology about their psychology about world, their psychology about all the I mean, they really, like, we call them bania. I mean, bania. These bania. I think this is the this kind of human. They know the value of mind. I mean, they really know the mind. They why they are sharper, just because their behavior. There are lots of sentence which we call them bania. So bania, I think these bania and marwadi, I mean, these are the two people you can really understand, who know the business, who know the every kind of human, that how gonna we deal with. So that's why bania and marwadi, if you just visit the whole India, then you really gonna see these are the most two important thing. Bania and marwadi you gonna see everywhere. I mean, they are a kingmaker. They are a kingmaker, Bania and Marwadi. Okay. Impriyesh Dabang. So there we movie like Salman Khan movies like Dabang. This is my one of the most favorite movie, and we can see that how imprecious was character that Chulbul Pandey he did played. In containment, so it's what you can use necessary. Jealous, this is the, I mean, this is the biggest complex in which every human make mistake. I mean, every human who are making a biggest mistake, I think this is a, so you really step out of this. Okay. Judicial, you can see our judiciary system, how strong our judiciary system, and people who believe in judiciary system, they are so clever and they are so I mean, the genius. You can easily see that people who are building our judiciary system, I mean, I have no words about what kind of judiciary system we have. So yes, please tell me and write in your comment below section that how you like my content. If you please like my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Adab और सत श्री अकाल, केम छो, मजामा.